Hello there and welcome back to Hugo House. Today we're going to talk about how to enjoy the peace and tranquility of this peaceful resort lodge in Wales. The Maesmawr Farm Resort is part of the exclusive Bouja luxury boutique breaks collection, nestled in the countryside of beautiful Montgomeryshire, surrounded by farmland, wild meadows, and rolling hills. This idyllic setting has the River Severn winding its way through the countryside from its source just a few miles away. The studio pods are a striking mix of tranquil location and superb accommodation, with each of these unique holiday homes offering all of the comforts of home, combined with modern-day living in bespoke designs with unique throughout. The studio pods have hot tubs that offer the ultimate way to soak up the wonderful ambience of this location while gazing up at the starry sky. Montgomeryshire is a lovely spot especially for nature lovers and explorers with activities such as fishing, mountain biking, clay pigeon shooting, and walking. Nearby you'll find Roman heritage that can be rediscovered in the local vineyards as well as fine dining in the Michelin star restaurants. During your vacation stay, you can sit back and relax and enjoy the peace and tranquility of this ideal resort while watching the red kites soar overhead and marvel at the 360-degree views. At the Maesmawr Farm Resort, guests can receive, at an additional cost, the breakfast hamper full of local delights to include bread, eggs, bacon, butter, sausages, tomatoes, mushrooms, baked beans, marmalade, preserves, milk, and tea. Also available at the resort is cheese and wine with 6 premium kinds of cheese, black and green grapes, 2 packets of cheese biscuits, 2 chutneys, 1 bottle of white wine, and 1 bottle of red wine. Flowers. For that special occasion, you can purchase a beautiful bouquet delivered right to your property for your arrival. Other options include duvet day, a lovely indulgence of chocolates, popcorn, sweet treats, and savory snacks for a day at the resort where you just want to stay under the covers with a good film or the Welsh collection, which includes Welsh cakes, Welsh jam, bara brith, Welsh tea, local fudge, Welsh butter, Welsh cheese, local fudge, Welsh butter, Welsh cheese, Princess Gate spring water, and Parsons pickles. The studio pods are located at Maesmawr Farm Resort in Caersoon, near Newtown, Mid-Wales. The vacation rentals sit in a park setting with lovely views all around. Relax on the outdoor wraparound patio where you can take in the view, enjoy your morning cup of coffee or tea, and at night, gaze at the stars. The typical premium lodge too has an outdoor hot tub, perfect for relaxing after a full day. Inside, you'll love the open floor plan with its comfy furnishings and living, dining, and kitchen area. The modern decor and designs have white walls with wooden floors and plenty of windows for a bright and spacious feel. Caersoon is a village and community on the River Severn, located in the Welsh county of Powys, also known as Montgomeryshire. It is 5 miles west of Newtown and about halfway between Shrewsbury and Aberystwyth. Caersoon has a station on the Cambrian line from Aberystwyth to Shrewsbury. Thank you for watching this video, and please do drop a like because it would really help our channel grow. Also, subscribe to our channel. We'll be featuring different houses every single day, from local homes to tiny homes to vacation homes and to other inspiring home ideas.